The following is a public notice. Payment relief from the Sunset Auto family is coming to an end on August 31st. In cooperation with Sound Credit Union, Sunset is offering what may well be the very best automobile financing program anywhere. Try to wrap your head around this. 72-month financing for 4.99%, which according to Google is less than half the average rate. That's right, 4.99% on qualifying new and used vehicles, 10 years old and newer. Plus, payment relief for 90 days. For you non-math majors, that's no payments until sometime in November. So tell me, over the next 6 years, how much lower do you think used car financing will get? Seriously, how much lower could rates possibly get? Quite frankly, rates may likely never be lower than this again. Factor in warranty protection for life and oil changes for life on every qualifying vehicle. It's clear that now is the time, and Sunset is the place. But you must act before the end of the month. You just get more at Sunset, like payment relief with the lowest finance rates anywhere. And people do like that.